Vana is based out of Dehradun, and Vana Foundation began about 2 years ago. Our vision is to revive Indian wisdom. Within Vana Foundation, currently our most important initiative is Vidya Loke. And Vidya Loke's vision is to share, to offer the Buddha's wisdom in contemporary India. It was in fact His Holiness that provoked us and catalyzed this effort. And last year in February, we had our inaugural teachings for 2 days in New Delhi, and then a public talk in Talkatora Stadium with His Holiness, of course. And then in December, we did the same format in Mumbai. And this is the first time that we've come to Bangalore.
All that we need to do today is really to practice compassion, not just for people we love or we are attached or related to, but to humanity in general. And if humanity does that, practices compassion, the world would be a much, much better place.
I was really intrigued because I read a lot about the Dalai Lama over there, and I learned a lot about mindfulness and meditation and compassion and all that, and it was really refreshing to hear it straight from the Dalai Lama.
I like the part about the anger management part where he talks about how you, like if you're angry with someone, you always think that he's the one to blame, but most of it, 90% is your mental projection. And I also like the part where he talks about how every particle, even how matter can be divided into smaller particles, but even the smallest of the particles, that is the atom, is not divisible. That means it is made up of atoms, again electrons and neutrons, protons, and so many other things. So I really like those parts.
I was greatly excited to listen to him. I have been hearing about him ever since my memory can take me back, and it was a great experience. I have visited many Buddhist countries, last being Sri Lanka and Bhutan, and to be able to listen to him directly was a great experience. My takeaway: smile whenever you see somebody. Doesn't matter whether even he is your enemy, please smile. That is the best happiness you can give to anybody.
I don't think like education is not only about just learn only about what is happening in your mind, but most importantly, like you have to intervene or you have to implement what you have, your knowledge, and also to help other, love, peace and compassion. So these all around I consider one of education. And also I have learned about compassion, which we have to practice regular. As being a human being, even for me also it's very hard for me to practice compassion each and every day, but as being a nursing student, I feel like every day I'm practicing compassion. So thank you so much.
His Holiness on a global level has been doing it for many years now, and I think now it's time for us to pull up our socks and do a little part in whatever way we can. So I think compassion would be the topic that touched me the most. Thank you very much.
This has been very well attended. As you saw, we ran out of space. That's not happened before for our events. We had people from the professional industry, the technology industry, startups, very eminent citizens of Bangalore, scholars, journalists, so on and so forth, and also students. So a very, very broad group, in fact a very intellectual group, I would say.